If you're experiencing issues with Valorant updates getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and get back to playing. Step 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many software issues. Close Valorant and any related applications, then restart your computer to refresh the system. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online applications or websites. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router. Step 3. Run Valorant as administrator. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut or executable file and select Run as administrator. This can help the game gain the necessary permissions to update properly. Step 4. Disable antivirus/firewall. Your antivirus or firewall may be blocking the update process. Temporarily disable them to see if this resolves the issue. Remember to re-enable them after the update is complete. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the previous steps do not work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issue and continue enjoying Valorant. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.